we started out with walking, backwards and forwards. Here's the thing, it seems so easy, but can we walk with that little opposition right here, leaders? Bam, bam, bam. If you can walk with that, that really, really helps. We did a really simple way to do it. Part of we smushed together, and we just started walking. It's not my hands I'm steering with, just a little bit of my chest. And always get that little separation from top and bottom, it starts to feel really good. We worked on doing this, where leaders would go, rock, step, and hit that moment right away, go in front, and go with the forward momentum. Yeah, that's the first sort of drag we did. So we did it on a circle. Hey, rock, step, hey, ho, hey, ho. Very chill version of the drags. Then we did the same thing, kind of cutting to the side with it. So we do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, bring your partner to you. It's a little more extreme, a little more exaggerated. The temptation is to pull your partner and block, using your neck to hold somebody up. You need to take a step, put your butt behind you. And we worked on my little 6 count here, which is good practice. Rock, step, drag, stand up. Rock, step, drag, stand up. Rock, step, drag, stand up. And then we worked on making that into the old Peter special on these turns here. So when we're going here, cruising, we get this feeling, stand your partner up, and then 2 more steps. Step, step. We can either flow into the next rock step, or if we do the super swoopy style, which we will do more and better next week. Pop the hands in a pop right there. Work on this. Work on this. We'll get more practice next
Work on this.
week.